Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a study visa to study in Georgia. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Georgian consulate website. Here, they have given all the details that you need. Okay. So I begin with e-application. Okay. Now, because it's a test application, so I'm not proceeding with registration and then creating the application. I'm just proceeding with e-application, but it's highly recommended that you create, because if you want to retrieve anything at a later time, having an account is always better. Okay. So your citizenship status. So you're going to be a foreign citizen. Select your country, because based on your country there could be difference in process. So I select what happened, India. Next, consulate, I have to select here. Wow. Next, all services. So visa, so it's going to be like it will be under immigration visas. Okay. Next we'll do. So again, as you can see, for applications in India, it has been outsourced to VFS. Okay. So VFS is going to act as a what do you call agency to collect your application. But let me describe the steps to you. In fact, I think I should take you to VFS site. But yeah, we'll come back here. But no, let's go through this. So the process is, first you fill your application here online. Okay, you pay the fee and everything. Okay, and then you sign and upload all the documents, and then you download, and then you go to VFS in order to submit it finally. Okay. So here you have to upload your picture. Okay. Specifications given, last name. So do it as per your own case. I'm just doing sample. First name, date of birth. Make sure you match the format. Place of birth. Make sure it matches with your passport. No errors in these things. It's pretty simple. Citizenship status, type of passport. Most of us will have ordinary. Validity period. Okay. Contact information in the country of residence. So your address, you know that, right? I don't have to tell you. Phone number, email. Don't do like this. Provide a proper email, because that's how they're going to communicate, right? So any field you enter, check at least 2 times, not just one. You have US or Schengen member state applied recurrent visa to enter. I select no. But if you have, definitely. Do you have residency in any other country? I select no. Representative is filled by representative. If not, just keep it unchecked. If you're applying on your own, if someone else is applying, check this and provide their information. Your occupation, workplace. Okay, so let's say Delhi IT. Your job title, that's a IT specialist. The sample, guys. Salary. Wow, it's a good salary, and not everyone gets it. When I was in India, I also did not get this salary, although I wanted to. Work phone number. Do you have any other source of income? If you put it, they will ask you what, if you know. Information about the planned visit. The purpose of visit, okay, so I'm selecting study visa more than 90 days. Date of enter, so let's say you're going in Jan 2026. Like this, it's sometimes it's better. Date of departure. Type of land education, I select higher. Duration of your stay, okay, so also say 0. I can put 2 years, right? So I should donate to education institution name. Of course, you know what's your. I'll just put uh, George University. I don't know if there is any university like this or not. Country, entrance, quantity with multiple. Specialization, let's say masters 90. Comment, chargeable course, yes. Annual contribution, how much you're paying? Let's say you're paying 30,000 euro. Comment, provide some details about what your course is, why you want to do it, your benefit, your any other plan. Additional, do you have been in Georgia before? I select no. List of countries you visited last year. Have you ever been rejected for Georgian visa? Apple for criminal case? No. Do you have any disease that can cause public health lecture? Invitation has been represented. I select your address during your visit to Georgia. Let's say this is not mandatory, especially for long term because, but yeah, you need to have it and they are gonna ask it. But and it's very important to know where you're gonna stay. So let's say you have like a George hostel address. Let's say, I mean, I assume you're gonna stay at a hostel. Provide that detail. Any other information about this you want to share? If you there's an accompanying person like a family member or something, you can. What are the things you need to upload? Upload all required legal documents. Fine. And photo you need to do over there. So, okay, guys, now a question arises. What are the documents you're going to upload? Okay. So that's very important. Travel passport. Okay. Tickets. Purpose of travel. They like your admission letter here in this case. IELTS, TOEFL if required. All education documents must be attested certified. Okay, yeah. I mean, certified copy, proof of accommodation, proof of finances, travel, health insurance for the validity. Yeah, for all European countries, I've seen this. Okay, this I've got from VFS too. And then once, like this, is the next page here, you need to upload uh, and complete your application registration. You'll get an application number that you need to sign and carry along. Now I'll take you to VFS. Checklist we had already seen. I'll just close it. Okay. So I have opened this VFS Global, Georgia in India process. Visa fee. See 20 USD it's given. Service fee it will be taken. Okay. And 20 USD we saw over there also that you have to pay. Documents required. So this is what the checklist which I'd seen. Photo specification. You're gonna upload. Digital copy needs to be uploaded. And you need to bring also. Processing time. Long term, minimum 2 months. Okay, wow. So you need to have enough time also. And it could be longer also in certain case. Now, before we end the video, let's go to the document checklist again. So for student visa D3, that's for long term. Online visa application, fine. Travel document, passport. Payment of visa fee. Okay. So when you pay online fee there, you can download the receipt and that you can take it to VFS that you have paid. And then you just need to pay VFS service fee. That also you have to pay. Your flight tickets, purpose of travel like your admission letter, your score, and all education document must be attested certified. Okay. Proof of accommodation, we are gonna stay, and proof of funds, travel health insurance, and for minor there are additional steps. So these things you need to go there with VFS. So the process is like VFS. You first collect all the documents, book an appointment, go there, uh, and submit your application. They may ask for biometric if required, and then I'm not sure if Georgia it's done or not, but yeah, if required, they'll do it. And then it goes for processing, and once granted, you are all good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.